Hello and welcome to this complete new lecture. And from this lecture we are going to start our practicing process. In this lecture we are going to cover our home keys. There are 8 home keys total. For left hand it will be A, S, D and F, and for the right hand it will be J, K, L and the semicolon. So your left little finger will be on the letter A, the ring finger will be on S, the middle finger will be on D and index finger will be on F. This F key has a slight impression on that, and according to this you can position your fingers perfectly on the home key. And in case of the right side of this keyboard, the J key has a slight impression on it. So you can put your index finger of your right hand on the J and the next finger respectively on K, L and the semicolon. Your both thumb will be on the space bar. Now as we have already learned about the home keys, let's go to the practicing. So this is our Tip10 app. I am going to open the app, launch Tip10, and now we are going to finish this lesson on. So let's select the lesson on, then click the start training, and this is it. So at first you need to put your hand in the home position. Let's do that and then press the space bar. You don't need to move any of your fingers because this is the home keys, so you just need to press the respective keys without moving your fingers. And this lesson is very important because if you don't know the home keys properly, then it will be very difficult for you to practice other keys. So let's start the practicing. As you can see here, you can see the respective highlighted keys. You need to press, and if you make any errors like that, it will not move forward. So you need to press the right key, then move on to the next. Alright, when you have finished the practicing lesson, it will automatically exit and you can see the results in here. But I am not going to complete all the lessons. If I do that, it will be very lengthy. So when you are just starting, I prefer to keep this time limit to 5 minutes, or you can also keep the character limits of 500. And always keep in mind that you need to focus on the accuracy. So don't make too much errors. At first it will be slightly slow. You need to remember which key are on which fingers, but it will be okay over times. When you finish on lesson, there will be a tick sign in this arrow here. So if you practice 5 times, it will be 5 ticks. So you need to practice at least 5 times, either using 5 minutes or 500 characters to move on to the next lecture. When you will be enough confident about these home rows, then you can move on to the next lecture. But before that, keep practicing. So best of luck guys, keep practicing and see you in the next lecture.